Oral Presentation English Level 4 by Diego Armando Reyes Rocha. Effects of technology on the environment. From my point of view, technology developed generates an increase in pollution rate. New technologies require more sophisticated and scarce minerals, while the market demands and permanent innovation, and this dynamic causes an increase in the generation of waste. If current trends continue, and surely they will, humans will end up destroying their planet. However, in some developed countries, governments have taken measures and promote sustainable development, probably adapting their production to laws and norms that regulate production. In contrast, the developing states do not have such severe standards for the production of their goods, so the manufacture and marketing of their products leave a worse footprint in the environment than in rich countries. But if people do not change their lifestyles and become aware that every time we do or eat is generating an environmental impact, pollution will continue to grow and with it the degradation of the land. The technological and industrial developments have contributed to improve the living conditions of the people, but at very high price for the ecosystem. In the last decade, glaciers have been reduced due to the global warming. Forests have been deforested for mining and extensive livestock. Not forget that every day increase the pollution with plastic waste in the ocean, generating death in hundreds of animals. Therefore, I consider that the technological and industrial advances negatively affect ecosystems. However, not everything is lost. We can still help persevere. For example, using the bicycle and not the motorcycle, using the train and not the buses, or using the same cell for another year. Governments must take measures to protect water and natural resources, and the issue must incide on the United Nations Council. The health and life of millions of people are in danger, according to the latest report released by UN. The maximum term for a change is the year 2030. From now on, the consequences are catastrophic for the planet and the species that inhabit, including the human species. Thanks for your attention.